Hey guys, I'm coming with a quick video about my hair. Again, this is the Indie Choco 100% Virgin Indian Remy hair, wet and wavy. And today, I finally used my Conair U curl to get these curls. So, this is not the wet and wavy curls. This are curls that I took an hour and a half to put in my head. I know I said in my last video or the video for that, one of my videos, that I use this when I'm blending my leave out when I do wear it wet and wavy. But today I finally went ahead and did the entire head using that. It was a process. It was fun. This is my first time. By the time I got to the top of my head, I figured out a better technique to get the curls done and make them look more Shirley Temple-y. So the next time I do it, it'll look a lot better. My leave out, didn't really know what to do with it, so I kind of like tried to slick it down over here and just flat iron this to the side or whatever. Yeah, I'm looking at it in the mirror behind the camera. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's not like fabulous or anything, but I do like it. Um, it's not tangly like if I would wear it wet and wavy. I don't know, you know, why it bunches up in the back of my neck when I do it wet and wavy, but like with this, I could just run my hands through it, and I like that. Um, so this is it. Um, yeah. So let me let y'all see the side, and the back, and then oh, here's the other side. So there you have it. I hope you guys like it. Whenever I get better with it, I will come and do a tutorial showing how I did it. And when I say when I get better, when I figure out how I want to do my leave out to make it blend and not look all weird and puffy. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys like. If you have any questions, just let me know. Um, yeah, see you guys later.